Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima. Kakenhun Menteri Hine kala menjur ya ke polisi bentiet kali elektrik jong usnam Hajar arpunrio. Ke Sorkar Meghalaya ke Pynshlur ya ki Paidbah bentiet ya ki kali elektrik. Haba keren berkinong thok khobor u menteri badipej ya ketanat PHE u Markus and Marak. Ulai thu ba kakenhun Menteri ke menjur ban ai Cingera pisa ke mamar arpusan Hajar Tyngka ya kinu ki batiet ya ki kali elektrik. Bat kabai registration ya ki kali omdan kam bensi ayai. Ulai thuru bapalat san Hajar ngut kibrio ha kejela kila Thied ya ki kali elektrik ha kani kejela. Ulo angru bak Sorkar kalawanra ya ke scrap policy nagabenta ki kali rim house nam baladep. Bat unu bonra ya ke sernot bakila dep ban penpran scrap ya ki kali rim bat Thied ya ke kali elektrik unyo jera pisa bat ondan ru shibun ki jera pisa lada ki Paidbah ki Thied ya kini ki kali. Habai day berki charging point ulo ong bak Sorkar kalabu lupa ya ki charging points berlaru banbu ya ki haying sa jongki.
Approve the Meghalaya electric vehicle policy. This policy, so Cabinet has approved this electric vehicle policy 2026. Government of Meghalaya is promoting of people to go for electric vehicles. So therefore, Cabinet has approved the compensation of around 25,000 whoever is going for an electric vehicle. 25,000 will be given as an incentive, and also free registration will be given. Totally the registration charge will not be required. So government has already decided for that, and yes, that's it. Anybody who is going for an electric vehicle will be getting the incentive of 25,000 plus registration fee free. People who have come up for the electric vehicles, exact number I'm not remembering. There are district wise report which was given there. It's not working. More than 5,000 I think it's there. Now government is encouraging the people to go for electric vehicles, and that is the reason why incentives are being given, 25,000 per vehicle, and also registration fee will be totally free. And government is working on certain numbers like scrappage. We have already came up with scrappage policy last year, and whoever comes up with scrappage policy certificate to get a new electric vehicle will be getting some some kind of an incentive there again, but that will be decided later on. But government has already discussed, Cabinet has already discussed this issue also. So there will be lots of incentives if any person is going for an electric vehicle.
What about the charging points?
Charging points are not that difficult. Charging points can be met at any place. In your house also you can make a charging points. But if you are going for a commercial charging point, government has already located some stations, some places where charging points will be installed.
So does this policy cover only the 4-wheelers or the 2-wheelers as well?
It is covered for 4-wheel, 3-wheel and 2 wheels also. There are different incentives for that.
Sir, you mentioned about the scrappage policy vehicle. So how is the response of the public? Whether the public are actually adopting this policy? How is the response? So
yes, our people are yet to adopt to this policy now. It was passed very recently, so therefore it's taking time. But our neighboring states, Assam, they have already started this, and they have the scrappage stations also. If your all vehicles which is older than 15 years, if you take that vehicle to the scrappage station and if you scrap there, you'll get the certificate, and if you produce the certificate to the registering authority or district transport officer, you'll be getting that incentive.
So Meghalaya, whether we have this scrappage
stations, we are yet to have that Meghalaya scrappage stations.
By when are you planning to establish this?
This can be established by any entrepreneur. Whoever is interested, they can start with the scrappage stations.
But is the state government actually planning to start this scrappage station?
Yeah, the government has already come out with the policy, and if you go to the policy in detail, you'll be able to get so many things there. And any entrepreneur who is interested in establishing a scrappage stations, will be very happy to help them out also. In 24 hours, maybe some hours are there, or maybe some minutes are there, but otherwise I don't find any shortage of power, etc.